We're gonna come just underneath of this segment here.
Oh.
Let it go.
Oh, that feels so good. Oh.
On Crack Addicts, welcome back to the channel. Now in today's video, I'm going to be posting a wide variety of chiropractic adjustments from some of your favorite chiropractors with some new additions. Also, all of their links will be in the description. That's where you can check them out directly. Now let's get into it and I'll see you on the next one. Up next, we have Dr. Brent Binder.
I think since the fall happened, I've been trying to like hold onto my hips
Yeah,
so that
compensation. Okay, just looking at your spine posturally. So no one ever told you had any curvatures in your spine?
I was tested for scoliosis when I was a kid, but they didn't say anything. But
Okay.
I feel like my spine is not straight.
You have a slight increase in your thoracic curve here. It's not terrible. But like, can you see, there you go. Like now you're good. But when you do that, I can see the compensation because these muscles here are sticking out way further than these muscles. You have a lot of right-sided activity here. This thoracic lumbar here seems like the most tense. Oh, okay. So when we do a temperature evaluation, the temperature is nice and symmetrically distributed. From left to right, left to right, left to right. Even in this area where it's more tense here, it still feels even, but the moisture really picks up, and then it just becomes very moist here in the low back, right at the bottom. Tension up here in the trapezius muscle. A little bit of trigger point here, levator scapula.
I've had trigger point injections on this side.
Okay, move your knees apart. Good, back together. Apart. Back together. Almost no movement on the left SI joint. Let's try to adjust the left. Do just the left.
Oh, just the left.
Yep. Center. Left. Yep, it's all over here. Just stop. Okay, now do just the right. Back. Your hamstring sliding up to the glute fold here. It's pretty even, if not slightly lower on the right. Looking from the top, and that's actually pretty even too. So, not a whole lot of rotation, but the right hip might be stuck backwards. Stance and toe off, looks symmetrical. A little bit of inversion there on the left side. Not too much head tilt to compensate for that. That's good. Good, and then from here, it looks like a high left hip. Keep going, keep walking straight. Swinging there, actually, I don't see any discrepancies. You can stop. Okay, let's see the arches. Not really much of a drop, maybe a mild drop on the left arch. Going to turn around the other way. And then the Achilles tendon here, we definitely have some bowing on the right, so definitely have a pronation on the right.
The other day.
Yeah, but you're wearing the same shoe on both feet, but you only have blisters on the one side, so that means you have mechanical changes in your right foot that you don't have in your left foot. A little bit of pronation and decreased arch there, okay? Good. Right short stays short. That points to the left SI joint. Down into this SI joint here. Discomfort, tension, pain?
Oh, yeah.
What about the right side? Gentle breathing. Go and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let your back sink in. Go gentle. And out.
Oh, good.
Coming up a couple segments here. And out. Shoulders relaxed. All right, I want to give that one more little push just to make sure we got it all, okay? Okay, let's do that again. Deep breath in and out. Good. Shoulders relaxed. Good. Good. All right, let's try this one here. Go and take a deep breath in. Good, and out.
Oh, I get that one. Oh.
Down to the coccyx. Here is the coccyx segment. Tender? Okay, we're going to come just underneath of this segment here. Okay, go and take a deep breath in and out. Good, we're going to bring this down. Shoulders relax. Good.
Oh.
Good. Okay, good. We're breathing. And out. Good. Shoulders.
Oh.
Okay, very good. Lay on your back.
That was a good one.
This most likely. Alright, so let's try this. Go ahead and turn your head to the right. Back to center. Left. Center. Okay, that's good. Now bring your right ear down to your shoulder. Good. Center. Left ear. Good. Like right here. Try to let me do the work, okay? Let me move your head. All you have to do is breathe and then just let your head drop. Just like that. Good. Shoulders relax. Let's go. Good. You're holding on a little bit here.
Maybe I shouldn't cross my arms.
That's okay. Good. That's it right there. Just let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go.
Oh, that feels so good.
Left. Again, just let me do your
Okay, I'm so sorry.
Let me move your head. You don't have to do anything. All you have to do is breathe. Good. You're sinking in. That was perfect. Good. Let go. Right here at C5 where you had that disc. Good. Let this relax here. Let your head drop. Good.
That was it. That was a good one. Oh.
All right, so let's do this. I'm gonna crack your toes, okay? Let your head relax, kid. Shoulders relax here, good. And we find that by first finding the belly button. Yours is like here. ASI is here. We connect.